Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include keyless entry, towing package. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.